In this video, we are going to look at not specifically a question type, but the ability to upload a file to an assessment. So students can upload a file to an assessment. So on the left-hand side of our screen, we're going to go to File, Upload. As with all of our question types, we can enter our information here at the top, our question prompt for our students. So for example, upload a PDF to show your work on this assessment. So perhaps this is a math assessment and there were 20 questions, multiple choice, true, false, fill in the blank, and you want to see the work that your students did on those questions and not just the answers that they submitted. So you can add this file upload. If your students are in the middle school using an iPad, they can very easily take a picture of their sheet of paper and then attach that to the assessment. High school, a little trickier. Maybe they use their camera on their phone or the camera on their laptop to submit that work as well. You can add how many files they can submit. So maybe you want them to submit 5 pictures. You can change that to 5. You see the supported file types below the prompt area, and then learning objectives and a line rubric down here. When we look at this from the student view, you're going to see that they get this upload area. So they see the question prompt, they see the option to upload a file, to add a description to the file, and then also to delete the file if they decide they grabbed the wrong thing or need to make an adjustment. Students will also see what type of file they can upload, so a PDF, a JPEG, a GIF, a Word, Excel, PowerPoint. A ton of different formats can be uploaded here in Schoology. Unfortunately, none of our iPad-specific things like Keynote or Pages, those are not supported files here in Schoology. Students will also see the file limit down here at the bottom and any learning objectives or rubric attached to this file upload question type. Back on the main page, we're going to click Save. And then on your question screen, you can adjust how many points this question is worth. So file upload might not be something that you use frequently on an assessment, but it is an option, especially for showing work on an assessment that students can upload that right here within the assessment for you on Schoology.